exploring nature. Happy and excited on the way to a farm. Today, we are visiting Farmers Milda and Rimas. Farmer Rimas has many tractors. Pius has a chance to drive a tractor. They are bringing hay for cows to eat. The hay is in the white roll. Pius helps to unpack the roll. Cows look hungry. Emma and Pius prepare a place for food. This is milled grain. Cows love their dinner. We also feed baby cows, calves. Let's go back outside. The farmer has a grass mower. Now Pius is mowing a lawn. Emma is very happy about it. It's such a great day on a farm. Active life. Let's continue our journey on a farm. Cows love eating hay. More hay they eat, more milk they give. Our friend Leo is milking a cow. We also want to learn it. Monte is trying to milk a cow. Looks like it's not so easy. Everybody wants to taste fresh and warm milk. What can be better than fresh milk with homemade rolls? Impossible to resist. You too, join our company now. Cooking. Today we are making a fresh and healthy dessert. The ingredients for the dessert are berries, fruits, and yogurt. We need to slice strawberries, bananas. We are mixing yogurt. It's time to make the dessert. First, we crush cookies. Then we add yogurt and other ingredients. And blueberries on top. The dessert is ready. Looks so tasty and delicious. If you don't trust me, try it yourself. Everybody loves hot chocolate. Let's make it. Gigas has hot milk. He fills cups with milk for everybody. We add chocolate powder to the milk. Gigas is explaining how to do it. Now, let's mix it very well. And now, it's time for a secret ingredient. Some cinnamon on top. Let's try it with a straw. Delicious!
Cooking.
A cooking lesson always starts with instructions. But first, we must wash our hands. Chef Gigas has a cooking book. The book has a list of ingredients. The chef takes a plate with fish. It is salmon. We need some vegetables as well. Broccoli, cauliflower, and fresh basil. Now we are making a baking boat. We add olive oil. Some pepper and salt. We are putting everything into our boats. Cauliflower, broccoli, basil leaves, and salmon on top. Now we are closing the boats. Here we are, putting everything into the oven. One second and dinner is ready. Yummy! Super! Enjoying our meal.